File upload is the process of uploading files from the user's system to the web application's storage. ASP.NET Core MVC actions support uploading one or more files using simple model binding, and in this video we are going to show you how to do that. We have a video where we cover the upload process with ASP.NET Core Web API and Angular, and if you want to learn more about it, feel free to watch it. The link is in the description below. Additionally, we have an article on this topic on our site as well, and if you prefer to read about it, just click the link we provided in the description. So, we have prepared a new ASP.NET Core MVC application. And to start things off, let's create a new file upload controller in the controllers folder. As we can see, the index section is created as well. After that, we're gonna create a view for the index section and modify it by creating a form tag with the post method, multipart form data encryption type, and specifying the file upload controller and the index section. Then, let's create a form group div with another colMD10 div and inside a paragraph with a message for a user, and the input file element with a multiple attribute. By using this attribute, we support selecting multiple files with this control. Additionally, let's add another div with the form group class and a div with a colMD10 class, and a simple submit button to trigger our post action. In order to support file upload, we must specify the encryption type as multipart form data. The encryption type attribute specifies how the form data should be encoded when submitting it to the server. This attribute can be used only if the form method is post. So, let's move on. We can access the individual files uploaded to the application through the model binding using the iForm file interface. Model binding in ASP.NET Core MVC maps the data from the HTTP requests to the action method parameters. Now, let's modify the file upload controller. First, we add the HTTP post attribute to mark this action for the post requests, and create the index section in an async manner with the list iForm files parameter. Then we extract the size of all the files. We need the path for all the files, so we create an empty string list. And for each file in our files array, we check if it has the length. And if it does, we create the path for that file using the directory getCurrentDirectory method and the file name property, and add that path to the list. After that, we create a new file stream object with our file path and file mode create, and just copy the file to the stream. Finally, we just return an anonymous object with the count, size, and paths properties. Now, let's start our application. Navigate to the file upload controller, select the file, and click the upload button. And there we go, we can see our result. If we inspect our project source folder, we should find our image. You can always place a breakpoint into the post action and debug it step by step to see how the files are processed to the stream. So, that's all for this video. Please hit those like and subscribe buttons if you liked the video and want to support us. Of course, don't forget to visit the Codemaze blog to download the source code. Additionally, you can subscribe to our mailing list to get notified about our new content and videos. So, stay tuned and we'll see you again in another video. Until then, all the best.